income protection. If something happens sa kanya, ang beneficiary niya ay makakakuha ng 5 million. In case magkaroon ng major accident, additional 5 million. Pero kapag nagkaroon ng mga minor accident, 100,000. And during time of accident, magkakaroon pa siya ng weekly allowance na 2,000. At kapag nagkaroon siya ng critical illness, like stroke, cancer, heart attack, additional 5 million benefits pa makukuha niya. This is the living benefits ha. If magkaroon ng confinement, 5,000 per day starting of the first day. After 1 month, magiging 10,000 per day. Pag na-ICU, may additional 10,000 per day. Meron ding outpatient benefits, check-up before and after the confinement. Within 14 days, 3 beses niya pwedeng maklaim ang 2,500. At meron din tong waiver of premium in case something happens sa kanya, disability, na hindi niya na kayang kumain, maligo o magbihis mag-isa, automatic stop na yung